Hi guys, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Create by Favi. If you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by and welcome. If you love crafts and DIYs, I promise you, you are in the right place. I love to do quick and easy DIYs, everything on the budget, upcycle, DIY, trash to treasure, which are my favorite. So if you like that kind of content, I would love to you hit the red button around here, get subscribed, and be part of this awesome family. Yes, we are such a awesome crafty family. So today I'm really excited because I have a 3 DIYs for Christmas using Dollar Tree items and some paint from Walmart that I had a while ago, and I'm so excited to be able to share with you. So if you want to see what I did, let's keep watching. So for the first DIY, I'm going to be using a frame without glass, an ornament, a wrapping paper, and some white paint. So first what I did was just remove the entire plastic and also pull apart the entire frame, just like so. And now I'm going to be working with the inside of the frame. Next, I'm going to be cutting wrapping paper, just like so, a little bit smaller to the side of the back of the frame. And then next I'm going to be using some Mod Podge and then applying it on the entire paper and place it on the center of the frame, just like so. And then next I'm going to be applying Mod Podge all over the frame, as you can see. Next I'm going to be using some white paint, chalk paint, or any paint, acrylic paint if you have that in hand, and just tapping around on the edges just to give it that frozen look. And now I'm going to be using a ruler to just trace a lines for the same pattern of the paper, as you can see. Next, I just put it back on the frame using a little bit hot glue on the corner just to reinforce it, just like so. And now I'm going to be using a lot of hot glue on the ornament and just place it on the center of the frame. And there you have it, a beautiful frame for Christmas. And now for the second DIY, I'm going to be using an old frame from an old canvas for previous DIYs, some Christmas pig, ribbon, and a little red rock, some paint, white paint, and antique wax. So first what I did was just give it a one coat to the antique wax to the frame, and now I'm going to be using a little bit the chalk paint just on the edges just to give it a frozen look. And next I'm going to be just pulling apart the entire pig, just like so. And now I'm going to start to create like a little arrangement on the corner to the frame. So first I started with the greenery, some leaves, some berries, and then I added more greenery to make it look more full. And then I'm going to be using the ribbon to create a little bow. So what I did was just cut 5 pieces, 2 largest and 3 smaller. So with the largest, what it is just the tail of the ribbon, the bow, and then I'm going to create like 3 little loops, just twisting the end of the ribbon, just like so. And then I'm just going to be placed it on top of the greenery. And yeah, and then I'm going to add in just a little bit of leaves and berry just to give it more color. Next I glue the little red rock on the bottom of the frame, just like so. And yeah, that's how it looks like. Beautiful. And now for the last DIY, I'm going to be using some foam boards, some pig, some wrapping paper, some twine, and also some white paint. I also going to use some leftover leaves that I have for previous DIY. So first what I did was just trace the circles, any sign you want. I want to cut a little big, so you can use the cutter. My husband got this awesome set exacto and I was just loving it because if you know that sometimes we struggle cutting a little bit the foam board. So then I just did the same thing with the wrapping paper, just drawing, and then I cut it. And now I'm going to be just place it on the foam board using a Mod Podge, but you can also use white glue, it works the same. So I added in both sizes the wrapping paper on the foam, as you can see. And now we're going to cover the white part with the twine, but first I'm going to just glue in a small piece of twine, just like so, just to create the little hang. Next I'm going to be using covering the white part with the twine, just like so. As you can see, and now I'm going to be repeating the same step with the rest of my circles, and there you have it. Now I'm going to be decorating, so I cut the pit and pull it apart and the leaves, and now I'm going to be just removing the little green thing, hard thing that come with leaves, just to have it flat and easy to work with. Next I just apply the little berries on top, white berries, white pig, however you call it, on top of the leaves, and then I make a little bow with twine and place it on top, just to give you that rustic beautiful look. And now my favorite part, you can use stickers, you can use anything you want on the center. It's like a play canvas, you can do whatever you want. So I just handwrite it a couple words in there, not perfect, which is okay with me because it looks even better, even more rustic. And yeah, that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching it. I want to know which one was your favorite one, number 1, number 2, or number 3. So if you like this kind of video, please give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and see you guys next time. Ciao ciao. I love to do trash trash to treasure. I love to do quick and easy DIYs. Quick and easy DIYs. DIYs using Dollar Tree items and